So we start off today's video with this long to short transformation. Yes, beautiful undercut asymmetrical pixie style. I am in love. This is absolutely gorgeous. And her hair is so thick. She has so much body within this cut. Absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Here we have a bob haircut with lovely curtain style bangs. Perfect way to add some layers to your strands just by simply adding the curtain bangs in the front. Ooh, this one features some beautiful bangs framing out the face as well. Many piece highlights. And then we have another bob style. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another bob variation featuring some bangs. And then we have another stunning pixie. Now her hair does appear to be a little bit on the thinner side, but I think that the stylist did a great job of making her hair appear more thick and full with the way that he did the cut. And then of course the blonde color adds a nice dimensional look to the style as well. It looks like the stylist is going to be doing a shape up for this next one. More of an asymmetrical pixie look. Longer bangs in the front to frame out the face. Color retouch. And bam, look at that pixie, absolutely gorgeous. And then we have someone with mid-length hair, looks like she's going to be getting a bob. Some color put in. Beautiful shoulder length bob style. Nice color refresh. Beautiful toss of bob haircut. Very nice. And I really like her dress as well. Gorgeous transformation. Next up, we have someone rocking a jaw length style bob with a pop of blonde in the bangs. And then we have another pixie cut. Stylist goes in with some color. Oh, she went with like a really nice ginger brown coloring. Oh, this is gorgeous. I like the texture that he created too within her hair. Very nice. And then we have another pixie style. Beautiful. This one has so much height and volume. Longer bangs in the front. Gorgeous. And then we have this beautiful blonde faded style. Nice design going there from the back to the side. I love how her makeup looks. So pretty. Well, alright you guys, I hope that you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.